Welcome to our 10-minute no equipment core blast. In this workout, we will be targeting your entire core. Some people have a notion that when it comes to core, it means your abdomen and obliques. However, did you know that it also includes your posterior low back muscles? So get ready to target a 360 degrees core with this 10-minute routine. So let's crush this core workout together. Let's get started.
Next, cool down.
Great job today. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Don't forget to hydrate and fuel your body with something nutritious. If you enjoyed this workout, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more. Stay strong, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next workout.